Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Jasmine MacGowan. I am the Managing Director at Save Your Skin Foundation, and I'm very excited to be here on Parliament Hill with you all to launch our national free and public sunscreen dispensers that will be increasing access to sun protection all across Canada. Bonjour, merci pour votre présence aujourd'hui. Moi, je m'appelle Jasmine MacGowan, directrice générale de la Fondation Sauve ta peau. Je suis heureuse d'annoncer le lancement national de notre projet pilote de distributeur de crème solaire gratuite et publique, afin d'améliorer l'accès à la protection solaire dans tout le Canada. We have proudly run this pilot project since 2022, and now 3 years later, we have over 40 free public sunscreen dispensers accessible in municipalities across British Columbia, Alberta, Manitoba, Ontario, Nova Scotia, PEI, New Brunswick, and soon to be in Quebec. We are pleased to recognize our nationwide growth by launching our pilot as a national program, including 3 dispensers that are going to be accessible here in our nation's capital. These dispensers provide automatic and touchless SPF 30 sunscreen, which are free of charge. We specifically chosen mineral-based sunscreen that is free from harmful chemicals and allergens, which provide a beautiful protection for our ecosystem here in Canada. These dispensers are placed in high-traffic areas frequented by diverse communities, especially areas that lack natural shade, so think of public parks, trails, swimming pools, and more. Our goal is to ensure equitable access to sun protection for all Canadians, especially those that are facing socioeconomic challenges. We'd like to recognize that this pilot project has grown significantly since it first launched in 2022. Thanks to the initial work of medical students and siblings, Samuel and Karen Farag, we are very grateful for their vision and continued collaboration. I want to recognize and thank MP James Bezan, Member of Parliament for Selkirk Interlake Eastman, for recognizing May 2024 as Melanoma and Skin Cancer Awareness Month in the House of Commons. Your support and commitment in public awareness is so appreciated, and I'd like to pass the podium to you right now. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you very much, Jasmine, and thanks for allowing me to join the Save Your Skin Foundation and really pay tribute to the great work that you have done as an organization right across Canada in raising awareness of the risks of over sun exposure and the use of artificial tanning equipment being carcinogenic and dangerous for Canadians. My wife, Kelly, as everyone knows, is a melanoma skin cancer survivor. And unfortunately, way too many people have lost their lives to this disease while others still continue to fight. Now, it was projected in 2023 that 9,700 Canadians would be diagnosed with melanoma and 1,250 would die from it. Sadly, the numbers continue to rise year in and year out. In the past, I tabled a private member's bill that strengthened warning labels on artificial tanning equipment, which was enacted in 2014, and now all tanning equipment has to be have a warning label that says that it is carcinogenic and that people should avoid using artificial tanning equipment. Skin cancer is a serious issue, but preventable with proper sun safety measures. Wear sunscreen, cover up when you're outside, seek shade, and of course, avoid tanning beds. But through all this, we still want everybody to get outside and have fun, and that's why having the public dispensers of sunscreen and sunblock are so important. Use them, access them, and you will have a much more enjoyable summer, especially if you're not getting sunburned. So I'm very proud to support this initiative that makes sunscreen more accessible here in Canada and raises awareness about the importance of sun protection. The largest organ that we have is our skin, so let's protect it, and we're working together to make sure that all Canadians are aware of that.
Thank you so much. And thank you again, MP Bezan, for all your support. It is extremely appreciated. Sunscreen and prevention measures are very important to us, but our work does not stop there. I'd like now to introduce Marije Kruis, a melanoma survivor and the founder of an award-winning free online game that is used internationally to educate people on how to detect signs of skin cancer. Marije?
Hello, my name is Marije Kruis. I'm a melanoma survivor and founder of Spot the Dot. And I'm very happy to collaborate with the Save Your Skin Foundation to bring my educational game, Check 'em All, to Canada. This free browser game is available in 7 languages, including French and English, and it aims to empower people to recognize the suspicious moles on their skin and teach them how to spot the dot early. I hope everyone goes to spotthedot.org to play the game and learn more about the ABCDE rule of recognizing skin cancer. Thank you.
Thank you. Save Your Skin is very pleased to be working with you, Marije. Through sunscreen dispensers and the Check a Mole game that is available on our website and on Spot the Dot's website, prevention and detection efforts can work hand in hand in our fight against skin cancer, melanomas, and ocular and uveal melanoma. Thank you again for joining us today, and remember, sun safety is crucial. Limit your time in direct sunlight, seek shade, cover up, and reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. By following these simple steps, we can all enjoy the outdoors safely. Merci beaucoup de votre temps aujourd'hui. N'oubliez pas que la protection solaire est essentielle. Limitez votre temps d'exposition directe au soleil, cherchez l'ombre, couvrez-vous et réappliquez la crème solaire tous les 2 heures. En suivant ces étapes, nous pouvons tout profiter en plein air en toute sécurité. We are now happy to take questions, and nous sommes prêts à prendre des questions. Merci and thank you. I just want to mention again that we do have 3 sunscreen dispensers that are available at our nation's capital at Major Hill Park. They're also across 40 areas in Canada, and that, like I mentioned, BC, Alberta, Manitoba, and soon to be in Quebec as well. We do encourage you all to use them, protect yourself, reapply if you can, and seek shade when you can as well. This initiative is extremely important and just the first step for sun protection and the overall picture of protecting your skin and loving the skin you're in. Would you like to add anything? That's everything.
Thank you. This concludes the press conference. Merci.
Merci. Thank you.